If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, leave a comment in the bottom, and turn on notification bell for future content. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And please always fly safe and responsibly. This is Johnny Bravo here. In today's video, we're going to check out the StartRC foldable extended landing gear for Mavic Mini and Mini 2. One of the reasons I picked these out is because unlike the others that do not fold, these are foldable. So we're going to do an unboxing and check them out today. Now I picked these up on Amazon for $8.99. And inside the package, you get the folding landing legs and the instruction booklet, and that's all you get inside. Now you pull them open till you hear a clicking sound. They seem to be very sturdy, not like they're gonna break, and they don't seem like cheap plastic. It does feel very lightweight. So you find this little notch here, and the little notch is gonna go inside of the vent. Once you place it on there, you're gonna pull it forward, as seen in the video, till you hear a clicking sound. Make sure and try to move it around and make sure it's secure on here. Once you know it's secure, you're ready to fly. Also, taking it off is a breeze and putting it back on is a breeze. Takes a little bit to get used to, but once you get the hang of it, you will be able to take it on and off blindfolded. Now, one of the cool things about the landing gear is it will not block your power button, your optical flow sensors, or your vents, as seen in these pictures. Now for our next test, I'm going to see if it fits inside of my PGY Tech case, which is fully loaded with my batteries, my filters, and propellers, all my wiring, and the drone and the controller. Let's see how well it fits. And as you see, it fits perfect. So for our next test, we're gonna see, will this change the drone's weight? The Mini 2 weighs about 238 grams with a battery and the SD card installed. As long as we stay under the 250 gram weight limit, we should be good. So let's do a test. And we just make it at 249 grams. So this isn't an exact test, but I tried to see how far the gimbal, not the drone, but the gimbal, how far it comes off the ground. Testing it, I came up with between 6.1 and 6.2 millimeters. So in the next test, I'm gonna put the legs on and see what the difference is. The gimbal from the ground, because that's what we're more worried about, protecting the gimbal from getting damaged. And we come up with almost 21 millimeters from the ground. StartRC advertises the legs pick the drone up 15 millimeters from the ground, but that's not counting the gimbal. After unboxing and reviewing this product, I can say StartRC makes a pretty nice set of extended landing gear for the Mavic Mini and the Mini 2. They seem to be high quality, and they're a must for anyone who's worried about landing in grassy areas and possibly damaging their gimbals. Also, this doesn't change the weight of your drone. You can find these by doing a search on Amazon. When I picked them up, they retailed for $8.99. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notification bell, as I will be dropping a lot more content in this upcoming year. And hope everyone stays safe and flies safe. Johnny Bravo out.